Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, November 28th, 2024, we will be taking an in-depth look at EURUSD, combining current market events and news with a technical analysis of candlestick charts. Recent news indicates that the EURUSD experienced a slight retreat from weekly highs on Thursday, likely due to reduced trading volumes during the Thanksgiving holiday in the U.S. This decreased liquidity may have contributed to the minor price fluctuations observed in the market. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart to examine the intraday price movement more closely. We can see how the pair reacted to the news throughout Thursday's session. The candlestick patterns on the 1-hour chart reveal potential support and resistance levels, and we can analyze hourly price dynamics. Now, let's zoom in on a specific section of the 1-hour chart, focusing on the period between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Universal Time coordinated on Thursday. Here, we can see a more pronounced reaction to the news. We'll focus on the size and direction of the candles to discover potential short-term trading opportunities. By combining these observations with the daily chart, we have a clearer understanding of the prevailing trends. The overall trend for EURUSD this week has been bullish, although the short-term effects of the Thanksgiving holiday caused a slight correction. Now let's move to the 15-minute chart. On the 15-minute chart, we can zoom in even further to spot smaller support and resistance levels. Analyzing smaller time frames is very important for day traders. We can observe very short-term trends here and observe short-term reversal patterns. The 15-minute chart shows more granular details. The recent price action on this time frame suggests that the market is consolidating. This consolidation could be preparing for a significant breakout, either upward or downward. We need to observe price action and volume carefully. Looking at all three charts together, we can create a comprehensive picture of the current EURUSD market conditions. We have observed how this pair reacted to the lower liquidity due to the recent Thanksgiving holiday. Although there has been some minor correction, the overall trend is still bullish. Here's a recap. Key support levels are found around 1.0500 and 1.0600 on the daily chart, whereas key resistance levels can be found around 1.0650 and 1.0750. A break below the 1.0500 level on the daily chart would increase the likelihood of a bearish trend. However, a sustained break above 1.0750 is more likely to reinforce a bullish long-term trend. In the short term, things will depend on various factors. The overall market sentiment, news related to the Eurozone and the U.S. economy, and the movement of other related currency pairs will all affect the pair. Keep an eye on the 1-hour chart for intraday signals. To conclude, the EURUSD shows a bullish long-term trend despite short-term fluctuations caused by the recent Thanksgiving holiday. The short-term outlook remains uncertain and highly dependent on various news and economic data. Watch for breakouts at the key levels discussed, combined with high trading volume, as these could provide signals for entry or exit points. Thank you for joining us on Explain the Charts.